Okay. So close your eyes now, and how you are feeling, I just want to know before and after, so that I can take you to the next step. Means I will give you a strong energy transmission through which you can feel better and better. Are the blockages same, or it has changed or shifted? Little bit of opening you can feel. All right. So main thing is that your breathing is not happening because your nostrils are blocked. So I will teach you technique where your nostril should open, and then you will see how it happens. So next 5 to 10 minutes, one by one, I will take you to opening your nostrils, and this technique you can do it every day in this order, and you will see that in 10 to 15 minutes your nostrils are opened and you can feel better. Okay. So how to do this process? First you will check which nostril is more dominant. So you need to put both hands like this and breathe. Okay. And when you breathe, the air from your nose will touch your hands, and you need to check whether left or right nostril is more dominant. Left is blocked. This means your sympathetic breathing is more activated. Sympathetic breathing is activated, mind is more activated, stress hormone is more activated. So you need to, with this technique, your vagus nerve will be activated. Whatever I guide through, one by one, step by step, I will guide you. So first step is to open your nostril by doing this tapping, nose stop tapping. So you need to, suppose this is your nose region. This entire region needs to be tapped with few fingers. Keep your eyes closed and keep tapping for 5 minutes continuously. All the parts of your nose till the third eye you can keep tapping. Yes. Keep your eyes closed and just keep on tapping the area surrounding the nose like this. This is to increase vasodilation in the nerves around your nose and to activate your breathing. You can put pressure as you are tapping. And now just breathe once like this and feel the difference. Yes, left is more blocked. So for left blocking, unblocking, what you will do, you will inhale from the left, close your right nose nostril, close your right nostril, inhale from the left and exhale from the left like this. It's difficult. All right. So next technique I will tell you. Do this. Put your hands, your left is blocked. So take your right hand and put under the, do like this. Both the hands put under the arms like this. And sit for some time. Keep tilt your head a little bit. And just relax for, at least it takes 10 to 15 minutes, but now I will check for 5 minutes whether it helps you. Unblocked. Yes. Now check again like this. If it is little bit unblocked, then good, this technique will work for you. So for 10 to 15 minutes you need to do like this, and both the nostrils will be opened with this, and vagus nerve will be activated if you do it for 10 to 15 minutes. Do it in sitting position, it benefits the most. So this technique is all connected with biofeedback from your hands. For example, when you are like this, look at me, this mode, or your chest breathing, this means you are in sympathetic mode. There is fight and flight response open in your brain. Okay, but when you go into this relaxed mode like this, you're relaxed. Your brain gets the biofeedback that everything is all right. An angry person, a frustrated person will never sit like this, isn't it? So there is some connection with your hands which give biofeedback to your brain under your arms. Everything is connected, and your brain slowly opens your respiratory centers activates, and it unblocks the nostrils. So feel it for next 5 minutes again, and this simple technique is great enough for your healing. Just feel the relaxation. Let go of all the fear, tension or hold you have carried so far. You got the new opening that you will be decluttering your home. You got some real work to do. You will be focusing on your rock climbing activity from 2 dimensions. One is teaching other students the rock climbing activity, and also create business deals. Whoever wants to have this experience as a business, they will contact you. So you will get more clients. And third is, you will start dating new men, as if the world has 8 billion population. 4 billion, yes, is men. And you are beautiful. And you will work on your sexiness. That's it. Activate the feminine energy in you. That's it. Come out from the old lady to a young girl. That transformation you have to bring. Alright? And things will change. Yes.